Now, this is an updated video on how to get your 4,000 watch hour very fast in the next 30 days. Yes, if you follow this method I'm about to show you in this video, you are going to get 4,000 watch hour if you are coming live every single week using Restream. Yes, there's a new method. You are going to do a silent live stream on Restream. You're going to add music and you're going to put a text photo or a mini video and show step by step on how to use Google and Restream to be able to get your 4,000 watch hour. Now stay with me to the end of this video while you do that.
So you're going to go to your YouTube studio, the desktop version, and you go to music library. So here I'm trying to pick the music that resonates with the picture that I have already chosen and what I want to use the picture for, like a rainforest kind of audio. So once I get it, I am going to go to that download button over there and then click on download. So once I am downloading this video, it's going to download directly to your phone. So it's just going to take a little time. Once it has downloaded, then we can now start going to CapCut to do other edits. So it's done downloading now. So I want to try and save to file. So you click save to file. So this is the file over here, and I'm going to like try and save to file. So once you save to file, then you can just go ahead, and you can now go ahead to your Chrome or Safari, whichever one you are using, and then look for any picture that you want to use for this your audio that is going to match with your audio. So I'm going to be choosing this picture over here. You can also use Pinterest. Don't forget that you can also use Pinterest. If you have the app downloaded on your phone, you can go ahead and use Pinterest, and make sure that you are downloading this in a horizontal frame. So I am going to screenshot it and then crop the part I don't want away, and then go ahead and save to my gallery. Then you quick head over to CapCut. So once you open your CapCut app, I'm going to try and then import the file that I want to use. First of all, you import the picture first. Then when you import the picture first, then you will go ahead and import the sound. You click on the sound, then you click on file, like this file you are seeing here. You click on device, then you click on device first, then you see select from device. So that is when it's going to take you to your gallery, to your file where you've saved this device. Then you click on it and then you open it. It's going to extract automatically. Then you click on this plus sign over here and then add it to your video. So since you are on CapCut and it's a video frame, but this is a picture, so you see that the audio is longer than the video. So what you are going to do is you are going to duplicate this picture to fit into the whole audio. So you are going to keep duplicating till you've already gotten to the whole audio. You are going to duplicate this picture till it fits into the whole audio. Now that you have duplicated to ending of the audio, so you are going to crop out the part that is not needed in the audio, crop it out, then you remove the ending of the CapCut, remove it, and then you are good to go. This is just all you need. So what I did was I added a text. Talking about what this life is all about. So I'm going to be adding the text that is silent live stream, enjoy the sound from the rainforest, from rain, and just any type of text that you want, that you feel like you can just put it there. You can even put a text for them to, you can even put the subscribe button for them to subscribe to your channel, anything. You can even put a motivational quote if that is what you want. You put a motivational quote before they are done reading it, they have already started watching this live already. So it's very good. So I was trying to take the text to the end of the video so that I can now import my project. So I'm going to export my project now, and then we are going to head back to Restream. So after exporting my project now, I'm going to my either Chrome or Safari to type restream.io. So the website is restream.io, so that we can be able to go live using this external app. You all know Restream already, so it's not a new thing. Once you come, you are going to see this interface. So you have to sign up. You have to sign up or create or log in with a Google account. So that's what you are basically going to be doing here. So I'm going to choose the Google account I want to use, and then go ahead and sign in. For every time you always open your Restream app, it's going to tell you to sign in, so you have to sign. So you just go ahead and click new, this plus button there that's showing you, just click new, then you click Restream Studio. That's what you are going to click. Leave the other two alone, just click the Restream Studio so that you can log in into the Restream properly. So once you click on the Restream Studio, it's going to load, then you see this interface, then you click allow. Still click allow, but you are going to still go ahead and mute your mic and mute your camera. So you are going to mute these two things, then you click enter studio. So it's trying to load so you can join. So once you are here, then you try and pick the frame that best suits you. It's advisable to always pick the horizontal frame, that is the horizontal frame, which is going to make your life to go through the short feed and get more views. So I'm trying to pick the frame, but I first of all I need to add scene first. So I'm going to click on this plus button that is showing plus add scene. So once I click on that, add scene means I want to add the video or the audio or the picture that I want to use for this restream. So you click add scene here, and then it's going to take you to either camera or video or what have you. So when I click on that add scene, it has given me another interface, like it has given me more interface. So I now pick the blank blank surface, and I will now click on the add scene inside the video. The one inside the video is what I'm going to now click. So this one inside the video, that's what I will click, and then I will now go to. So when I click on that, it's going to give me this option. So I'll choose video. I'll go ahead and choose video. But because I've used Restream before, there's one video there I've used before, so I'll add another video. So I'm going to choose from my photo library because I saved this video on my gallery. So it's going to take me here. This is the video here. So I'll click on it. It will try and first of all load this video for a while before it will now take me back to the Restream interface. So you just have to be very patient while doing this step. So finally it has loaded already. Then I will now choose the video, and then it's going to pop up here. It's going to automatically enter here. So once I do that, it's going to show me so you are seeing that now. So I now want to loop this video. So what I'll do is I'm going to click on the video and then click on loop to loop this video. But first of all, before we loop this video, I need to add my account. I need to add my YouTube account. So I clicked on the add to add my account and go through all the process of trying to add my account and all that. Then okay, so this is just the process of trying to add my account, verify, blah blah blah, then go ahead and add my account. So it's going to show me that my account has been added already. Yep, that's it. So once it's added, then it's already toggled on. my second YouTube channel is not toggled on, so I'll just go ahead and click the X button and then continue with what I was doing actually. So see, it's already on, so I'll just click on it. See that it's already showing here that my account is already added. So what I'll do now is now to loop this video to be able to keep this video can keep repeating itself over and over again. So I then now click on the video, so it's going to show me a three dot button here. You're going to see a three dot button there. When you see that button, just click on it. So it's going to show that so click on it and then you click on loop video. So it has already shown loop video. So when you click on the button again, when you click on that icon again, you see that it's already ticked. It's ticked that video is going to be looped. So you already know that you're already on the right track. Then what you now do is to just go ahead and go live on your channel. Immediately you go live, maybe you click on this go live, YouTube is going to give you a pop-up notification immediately that your channel is now live, and you can even go and check on your channel to see that you are now also live. So I've already clicked on it. 3 2 1 go. So this is now live and you are good to go. That's just basically it. So let's check my channel if I'm already live now. So I'm on my channel now. I want to check if I'm live now on my channel. So it's going to load now. You see that the pop-up notification has come in that I'm now live. So this is going to now show here that I'm live. So I'm going to go to my home page. It's going to show directly on my home page that I am live streaming now. See, it's already showing now there that I'm live streaming. So this is going to start counting from now. So what you just do, go back when you want to end your live streaming, you just click on this end stream and then it's going to just end automatically, and the live is going to automatically be saved to your YouTube channel, and then it's going to keep playing over and over again for others to see.
Now, after you have finished watching this video, make sure that you time yourself on when you want to go live. Yes, if you want to go live in the morning, make sure that your audience are always available in the morning. Make sure your audience are always online in the morning. Check when your audience are always online. Best time to be able to go live is on the weekend when people are always with their phone, and in the evenings. Yes. And another thing I want to let you know is you can go live for more than 3 to 4 hours. Make sure that you stretch the live to more than 3 to 4 hours to be able to get more watch hour. Yes, if you do this, you'll be able to get more watch hour, and you need to be consistent with doing this. You don't need to do it today and stop for the next 1 month and you think you're going to get your watch hour with just one video. No, it's not going to happen that way. You need to keep repeating going live on your channel to be able to get your watch hour. Now, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share to other creators, and watch this video on how to get your 4,000 watch hour using your YouTube app only, just your YouTube app, and you are going to get your 4,000 watch hour. Watch this video to be able to see the method and the tricks and tips on how I did that, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.